Scaled Architectural Paper Model by Michael Mukairo. This is a rendered image of the same project. Architectural models. An architectural model is basically a type of scale model with a physical representation of a structure. It's built to study aspects of an architecture design or communicate design ideas. Depending on the purpose, models can be made from a variety of materials, including blocks, paper, and wood at various scales. Then we also look at the purpose. Why make models? Architecture models basically are used by architects for a variety of purposes. For instance, we have ad hoc models or sketch models, which usually represent the relationship of volumes of a structure or various viewpoints, or to understand the concepts during the design process. Then we also have representation models, which can be used to exhibit or visualize or sell the final design. Then we look at key types of models. Among these, we have exterior models, basically mean they are around the building. We have interior models. This is basically interior space planning, landscape design models, urban models. These are usually built on much smaller scales, between 500 and less. Then we also have engineering and construction models, which show isolated building structural elements. This is a model that I've worked on for the same project, duplex apartments. There are basically 2 units. Each unit is 4 bedrooms. So this is the parking. That's it was really simple in nature.